Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Hafsa, working as a general physician at PMC. Today I have taken the hot seat. Get to know me before I get to know you.
What inspired you to become a doctor?
Well, my inspiration basically came from seeing my father, who works as a pharmacist. So, since my childhood, I've seen him providing medications to the patients, and that's when I realized I should become a doctor where I can treat the patients properly and give them a whole treatment.
Why did you choose this particular field of medicine?
Well, as a general physician, we are not bounded by just one particular field. We get to see patients from variety of problems, medical conditions. So I really enjoy having a change from patient to patient.
Can you share a memorable moment, doctor, from your experience at PMC that has influenced your approach to patient care?
I remember there was one time when there was a patient who came to me. I gave him the whole management and treatment, and at the end he told me he came from other Emirates and he heard about me from someone else who got treated by me, and I was really surprised at that time. Okay, so people are talking about me.
What hobbies or interests outside of medicine do you have?
Well, my main hobbies include reading. I'm a big time reader, including fiction books and poetry. However, I'm not able to practice it more frequently right now. I also enjoy canvas painting.
How do you handle stress and maintain a healthy work-life balance in your role as a doctor?
Managing healthy work-life balance is an ongoing process. We have to be ready to be flexible and adaptable, I believe. There may be times where my work might require more of my time, and there might be times I will have to prioritize my personal life.
How do you approach building a strong doctor-patient relationship?
I believe each and every patient is a unique book on their own, and they all require separate efforts. So, if keeping that in mind, I feel that building a trust is the basic foundation of any relationship.
Why did you choose PMC?
PMC gives me opportunity to give back to the community. I truly appreciate the aim and the goal of PMC, where they make sure that people from various backgrounds can get treated, and I'm very thankful to be a part of PMC.
So here's the last question. Is there a message or piece of advice you would like to share with the community?
Your health is your most precious asset. So do not wait until any symptoms arise to prioritize your health. Make sure you make healthy lifestyle choices, schedule regular health checkups, and ensure that you stay hydrated.